Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now come on today to show you what I'm putting in the giveaway. That I'm going to be drawing on this afternoon or tomorrow. But I thought I'd just come on here and show you what I'm going to... Actually, I'll give you a little while to go and put a comment on the video that is called "Thank you for the surprise." Somebody sent me a bunch of flowers. So if you put a comment on that one, if you want to comment on that, you will be in the draw then to... maybe you should watch it. But anyway, it's not like the last one. The last one was all fabric. This one here is a bit of everything, okay? I might just take it out a little bit so we get it all in the shot. I'm going to send it in this. I'm not going to actually cover this because people might want to use this. If you win this, you might want to use it as a folder. And it's really nice, eh? So I've got a few of those. You know, one of my shopping expeditions. Now I'm going to show you what's in here. If I can get hold of everything. What's going on with this? I've got a bit of a migraine today, so I won't be doing a tutorial, I'm sorry. I'm just going to put up this. So I'm going to show you what's going to be in the parcel, right? Now, I'll start from the bottom here, and we have... This is a page out of Daphne's diary, and you've got all these little bits here that you can cut out. They've got things written on them like the towns. London, I meant Paris, yeah, places like that. So you'll get these two little colouring in. They're really old. Whether you want to put them onto, you might be able to photocopy them or just use them like that. Whatever. They're really nice, really pretty pictures, I thought. So I'll put them in there. There's a thing of stamps. Actually, there's an embossing folder, another embossing folder, and some stamps across the bottom. So they're handy. In this one, I just got a few bits and pieces that you can use in your journals. I just put on, if that's what you want to do, or do whatever you want with them. This is actually a sticky. This is a sticker, these things, and you can either cut them or leave them like that and just stick them on. I've got a Fancy Nancy. I'll put her in, of course. Everybody would have probably seen Fancy Nancy. And then I have got really nice postcards that I got. So there's one, and there's another one, and then I have a couple of old check things that look, they're not actually old, but you can make them look old. You can photocopy them or something. And there's a guest check. Okay, so that's that baggie there with those. Better get those back up. I just put a lot of different things in because I wanted to help, not help, but I wanted to, for more than, different people to be using what I've got in there, okay? Whatever if you've got something that everybody uses. So I've got some trims. There's a little, there's over a metre on each one. There's a Rick Rack, there's another little one. This one here is really nice. I like that with the little hole in it. You can probably put a bead in that when you put that on. And this one's like a little pom-pom one. So little pommy-pom things on it. I've got a couple of, there's 3 hanks of thread. They are greens and blue, a green and a blue and tealy blue and that red. Now they're complete. I just put them in there because I wanted to protect them. I've got a packet here of die cuts that I cut out. There is flowers and a couple of tags, a couple of little fences, fair bit of flowers and leaves in there, different colours that you can decorate your own way or whatever you want to do. I'm going to leave them in. I'm not going to go through them. That's all right. I've got these things here that I cut out that are on a piece of fabric. Some of these pictures you can't see very good, but others are not too bad. So these are little faces of vintage photos, and so there's some of them. So I think there's 5 of those there. You know, you can put them on your books or whatever. And then I have one doily, because when I find some more, I might put some. I'm thinking about doing a more doily one in the next giveaway. Okay, so there's one of those doilies. I have a thing here with a bag with little beads. They are was actually sort of meant to be a bracelet. They're still all on the string, so you can just cut them off and use them as you want to. And they're pretty safe while they're on the string, okay, because they're not going to go anywhere. Okay, so they're good. They're nice colours that I've got in there. Okay, I've got a piece of, you know, what's his name? Makes a lot of the craft stuff. Holtz paper for doing any sort of, you know, mixed media or whatever. I'm putting it on your pictures. Now I tried to incorporate things that went together as far as this part here goes, because I thought, well, you know, this is good if people want to put things together. Now I've made these ones here. I am guilty. I made those, and I've made them a long time ago, I must be honest. Well, when I say a long time, probably a few years back, I made these flowers. Okay, so you'll be getting those in the parcel. In the parcel, and of course the beads go with that. And then we've got little pieces of fabric to go with that. There's that piece, the spotty piece, this other ziggy-zag piece. And then there's a bit bigger piece, and this is old off a tablecloth, I think. But it was seersucker, that's why it's sort of wrinkly like it is. Really beautiful, I like it because it's a vintage look, you know. And so I've put these together, these colours, because I know that people like to do, you know, some people like to do things that go together nicely, and I thought that little set there did. Plus I've got this one here that has got these nice flowers on it for using on something else. See, you don't have to put it in that. And the last thing I have is, oh no, not last thing, I have some Tim Holtz cutouts, paper doll things that he sells, and there's all, I just grabbed them out of the thing, so I can't say there's, just grabbed them all out of the pile that I had there. They're all different sizes. I don't know if you could colour them in, maybe you could. I might try that sometime down the track, but I think they look really nice. I've got to yet to use some in something, because I forget that I've got these things, but since I come back in here I've found these things, so you'll be getting those. I don't know how many's in there, there's 1 or 2. And the last thing I have got is I bought these book plates. If I can get them out. They're stuck in. Not actually stuck there. Okay, got it. I got these book plates a long time ago. There was 50 in the box. I've gifted some out, and I have more. So it's got this little. So you put this in the front of your journal when you make it, and you write your name. And it's supposed to be actually. It's supposed to have some sort of. It says book plates are decorative gummed labels with a space for your name. Show that you value your book by protecting them with book plates. Select a design with care. Then put one on the side cover, one on the inside front cover of each volume you own. Enjoy and share your book plates. So that's the one. Of course, it's on the cover of the box. I think I've still got a few. Yeah, I've still got a fair few left. I don't imagine I'll be. But I've never ever think to do that. I never think to put them on. So this has actually got some sort of gummy stuff on it. But if you want to put it on things, I think it'll need to be actually put more glue on, because I think it's a tiny bit old. And it has a little bloke on there, and he's got a walking stick, and he's got, well, I can't figure out what the other thing is, but there's animals and things around the outside of it. So there's about 5 of those there for you, okay? So that will be the person that I will do the draw for. Tomorrow is, I've got to go out and do shopping. and when you've got to do something through the day, you sort of, it interferes with what you want to do for the rest of the time. But I will do my best to get back in here I won't be doing it in here, so I will be able to probably tomorrow, as far as I know, draw the winner for that. So, or will I leave it till Saturday? Because some people are still asleep. Yeah, all right, we'll do it Saturday. I will draw that. That's just for being my Subbie, for doing, for supporting me, for you know, your good comments and everything that just leave. That's why. And next month this month of April, we'll have another one. And I've got to get through now through some of my fabrics and so forth, so I can pick out some things that I can put in the next one, okay? Or whatever I can find. There's so much stuff in here, I can't decide what to use. Not because I don't want to, it's just that I think I don't know what do I put in there now? I mean, I don't know if people are happy with this idea or not, you know, if you have a suggestion, I just want to see next month in the parcel. That's an idea. Send me a suggestion. Tell me what you'd like to see in next month's parcel. In this month's parcel. In the April parcel. Okay? I know I'm a bit behind, but I'll get it in the mail as soon as on Monday. So if you can, whoever wins, please, when you do, let me know. If I don't know your address, please give me your address and I will send that to you. I hope I can get that in. I'll buy a plastic thing to put over the outside of it, a plastic envelope, so it'll be looked after. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.